Radford Semele is a civil parish and a village in Warwickshire. It's situated just 2 miles east of Royal Leamington Spa. It's got a population of just under 2,500 and I've been proud to call it my home for the last 15 years. We have a primary school, a shop, a post office, a hairdresser's, a community hall. We've got 2 churches and also a gastro pub that's under renovation. It's a wonderful place to raise a family. Today we're putting onto the market 19 Bloxham Way, an executive detached family home. Come on inside and see what this beautiful property has to offer. From the entrance hall, there is a staircase rising to the first floor landing that has been fitted with a sleek and stylish Neville Johnson glass balustrade. The understairs storage has been skillfully fitted with push and slide retractable storage shelving fitted by MK Carpentry, providing shelving and hanging space for shoes and coats. To the rear of the property, there is a large open plan breakfast kitchen room. There is an integrated double oven, fridge and freezer and dishwasher. Beyond the breakfast bar is a seating area with views over the garden. The tastefully decorated large living room is the perfect space to unwind. The bifold doors in both rooms to the back of the house provide the perfect transition between the indoor and outdoor space. The family room has a bay window overlooking the front elevation, as does the study. Also off the entrance hall is a utility room with integrated washer and 2-piece suite, including wash-hand basin and low-level WC. The Neville Johnson staircase continues onto the first floor landing that also has overstairs storage. There are 5 double bedrooms in total, 4 of which have fitted furniture and 2 of which have en-suites. There is also a 4-piece family bathroom. To the front of the property, there is a landscape garden and a block paved driveway that provides parking for 3 vehicles leading to a detached double garage. The garage is currently used as a gym. It has electric and has been fitted with a sink. The rear garden has been professionally landscaped by local renowned professionals Isola Garden Design. There is a raised sun terrace to take advantage of the southwest aspect. The garden has ambient outdoor lighting. There is a summer house that has full electric, including lights and sockets. There is a sink with drainage and air conditioning. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or if you would like a viewing, you can reach me on the contact information that will follow. Have a great day.